Okay, this is Shinken Red Figuarts Disassembly 101. Our subject is the Shinken Red chest disassembly. I've got two tools. I've got the mini flathead driver and one mini Phillips driver as well, and Shinken Red's chest. You can see I've already removed the neck, the lower abdomen. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your flathead driver and you're going to place it right here, and you're going to press outwards. Upon doing this, you're going to notice that the side has come off and you will feel a distinctive pop, and you will do the same thing to the other side. Push in, pull out, and you can see right there where it pops. It actually is a breaking, so don't freak out too much. Then you're going to come back around to the neck, and inside here you're going to insert the screwdriver and you're going to push in and press up. And once you do this on both sides, it will either crack the T-bar here or it'll pop the glue, depending on how much glue was put in there. Once you have access to that, there are just 3 little screws. And that's it. One. Should have gotten a bigger screwdriver. 2. And 3. And once you're done there, this actually comes out. There you go. Completely disassembled Figuarts chest. Enjoy.